Imagine a plant so powerful that ancient traders carried it across oceans. Emperors taxed it like gold, and modern science still can't stop discovering new benefits. This isn't a rare exotic herb, it's ginger. And today we're diving into the story behind this legendary spice, where it came from, why people across centuries swore by its healing powers, and how you can use it every day to boost your health naturally. Let's begin. Ginger isn't actually a root, even though we all call it that. It's a rhizome, an underground stem that grows horizontally beneath the soil. From that stem, the roots grow downward, and the part we use in our kitchen is actually the stem itself. That's right, you've been cooking with a stem your whole life. Ginger's story begins more than 3,000 years ago, with ancient civilizations in Southeast Asia. People valued it so much that it became one of the very first spices traded across continents. In Sanskrit, it was called Sringavaram, meaning horn root because of its shape. The Greeks named it Zygiberis, the Romans called it Zinziberi, and from there came our word ginger. Here's a wild fact. Ginger doesn't grow in the wild. Humanity has been cultivating it for so long that we don't even know where the first wild ginger plant existed. During medieval times, ginger was so valuable that 1 pound of ginger cost as much as a sheep. And during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I, gingerbread became a luxury treat, so popular that the Queen herself is credited with inventing the first gingerbread man. Imagine creating a Christmas tradition that survives 500 years. Today, ginger is grown worldwide: India, China, Jamaica, Africa, but India remains the #1 producer. You'll find ginger in many forms: fresh, dried, powdered, candied, pickled, crystallized, and of course as a soothing tea. Its taste, peppery, slightly sweet, warm, and aromatic, a flavor you never forget once you've tried it. Most people don't know this, but ginger is incredibly complex. Scientists have identified more than 400 natural compounds inside this one rhizome, and together they create ginger's warming taste and amazing health effects. The biggest part of ginger is actually carbohydrates, mostly starch. It also contains a small but important amount of natural healthy fats, aromatic oils, fiber, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. But the real magic comes from a special group of compounds called gingerols, shoggols, and zingerone. These are the spicy, warming molecules responsible for ginger's soothing effect on the stomach, its comforting warmth during a cold, and many of its traditional uses. Ginger also has volatile oils, mainly sesquiterpenes like zingiberini and beta-bisabolene, which give ginger its unforgettable aroma. People say ginger is good for everything. But let's break it down into what is actually proven, what is traditionally used, and what is still being researched. These are the scientifically supported benefits according to the World Health Organization and the European Medicines Agency: the prophylaxis of nausea and vomiting associated with motion sickness, postoperative nausea, morning sickness in pregnancy, and seasickness. Ginger helps calm the stomach and support normal digestive function like bloating, gas, spasms, and indigestion, supports appetite by naturally stimulating the digestive system, helps with minor joint discomfort thanks to its warming and soothing properties, supports common cold symptoms. People have also used ginger traditionally for colds and flu, headaches, digestive discomfort, menstrual discomfort, mild inflammation, and muscle soreness. These uses have been part of herbal medicine for centuries. And modern research is exploring even more areas where ginger shows promise: supporting cardiovascular health, helping balance lipids, antioxidant activity, inflammation regulation, and even early research on anti-cancer effects. Nothing miraculous, but ginger shows meaningful potential in several areas. So, how do you make a perfect ginger tea using dried ginger? Add 1 or 2 teaspoons dried ginger rhizome to a teapot or infuser. Pour 200 milliliters freshly boiled water. Steep 5 to 10 minutes. Strain. Add lemon or honey if you want. Warm, aromatic, soothing. Now, here's a bonus blend, the Herbal Pharmacist Special. Blend of dried ginger, lemongrass, licorice root, and a touch of natural lemon flavor. This combination gives you warmth, freshness, natural sweetness, and a citrusy lift. perfect for focus, digestion, or relaxing after a long day. You can use ginger to elevate almost anything: soups, curries, baked goods, smoothies, herbal shots, homemade ginger ale. Ginger doesn't just add flavor, it adds warmth and depth that few spices can match. Here are some amazing ginger facts. Ginger ale was originally created as a digestive tonic. Japan uses pickled ginger to reset your taste buds between dishes. Ginger can be grown year-round. The best planting time is late winter or early spring. In folklore, ginger was considered an aphrodisiac. Gingerbread, as we know it today, became famous thanks to Queen Elizabeth I. India produces the most ginger in the world, but Jamaica grows some of the most aromatic types. Ginger is generally very safe, but avoid it or talk to a doctor if you take anticoagulants. Avoid it if you have gallstones, and if you are giving it to a child under 6 years old. Possible mild side effects are rare. These include heartburn, upset stomach, or burping. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's history, medicine, flavor, and culture, all wrapped into one golden rhizome. From ancient traders to modern science, ginger has earned its place in every kitchen and every herbal shelf. If you want more videos like this, deep, practical, and based on real knowledge, make sure to subscribe. Join our growing herbal community. And tell me in the comments, how do you use ginger? Tea, shots, cooking, or something special? Stay healthy and keep exploring the world of herbs.